Human respiration. Human respiratory system can be divided into two parts. Number one, respiratory tract and respiratory organ. As you know that our respiratory organ is lungs and respiratory tract. There are four parts in our respiratory tract. Number one, the nose. As you can see that we breathe through our nose. There are two nostrils present in our nose. From the nostril, it passed to the nasal cavity. Nostrils have some hairs and our nasal cavity have mucus. Our filter, our hair of the nostril filter the air, and mucus also stick the dust and bacterial particle and after filter and moisten our air too. Now the filtered air reach to our pharynx. Pharynx. Pharynx is divided into two parts. One is gullet, and from through the gullet it goes to oesophagus, and oesophagus goes to the stomach. This is digestive part, and it is no use here in our respiration. Now the pharynx divided in another part through the glottis, it goes to the larynx, which we know as our voice box from which I am speaking to you. Now it goes to through the larynx to the trachea, and trachea is known as windpipe. Windpipe passes to our neck and passing to our reach up to reach our thoracic cavity, and here it is divided into two branches, and this trachea too, it is divided into two branches. One goes to the left lung and another goes to the right lung. Our right lung is divided into three parts, whereas and it is bigger than the left lung, and left lung has only two parts. Our right lung is greater than the left lung, and you can see here a small cartilaginous structure which is C-shaped, and it's helped to trachea not to collapse. And cartilaginous structures are present all over the branches, bronchioles and bronchi, and it is again divided and redivided, and millions of alveoli, about 7.5 million alveoli are present in our lungs, and these alveoli are the real place of exchange of gases. And here you can see the alveolar duct and network of capillaries. Mostly blood capillaries, alveoli are covered with blood capillaries. Here exchange of gases takes place. Mechanism of breathing. There are two works, one after another happens. Inspiration and expiration. Taking in oxygen or air from environment is known as inspiration, and expel out carbon dioxide is known as expiration. How it's happened? In inspiration, our diaphragm goes down and intercostal muscles of our ribs contract and ribs goes outward and upward, and the sternum also goes upward, and then the cavity increase, our thoracic cavity increase, so the pressure inside the thoracic cavity increases, so pressure decreases and air goes inside our lung. And what happens in expiration? In case of expiration, sternum goes downward and our diaphragm goes upward. Diaphragm goes upward and our ribs ribs goes downward and inward. And the space in the cavity, thoracic cavity decrease. So pressure increase over and gases goes out to the trachea and trachea to nostril and the expiration complete. About 97% of our oxygen diffuse to the hemoglobin and makes oxyhemoglobin in alveoli, and this oxygen is carried to all the tissues and cell, I mean to say, by our blood vessels, arteries, and where oxygen is used and CO2 presence in our tissues return back to the by the vein and to the alveoli, and carbon dioxide goes out. About 97% of the oxygen combines with the hemoglobin and make oxyhemoglobin, and 3% return to the lungs through plasma. In case of carbon dioxide, 10% as a carbonate, 40% as a sodium carbonate, 10% as a carbonic acid is through plasma return to our lungs, 10% as a carbonic acid, 40% as a sodium carbonate, 40% as a potassium carbonate, and 10% dissolved in water and pass to our lungs. And what happens? This is complete external respiration, and what happens to the oxygen reach to our blood. In case of mechanism of respiration, as you know that glucose broken down in our cytoplasm, and what happens, it converted to pyruvate 3 carbon compounds, and enzymes are present for this in our cytoplasm. Now here the 3 way. First, if in case of our plant yeast, in absence of oxygen, ethanol, CO2 and H2O is formed and only 2 ATP is formed. In case of human being, in our muscle, when we run very fast, at that time in absence of oxygen, lactic acid is formed. Energy is only 2 ATP and this is 3 carbon compound. And in presence of oxygen, what happens? CO2 plus H2O plus energy and 38 ATP. In presence of oxygen, another way, complete broken down of glucose takes place, pyruvic acid broken down to CO2, H2 and energy, and here 38 ATP is formed and it happens in mitochondria. Here I want to clear you that only 10% of carbon dioxide return to our lungs by carboxyhemoglobin, 40% as a sodium carbonate, 40% as a potassium carbonate, and 10% as carbonic acid. And here is the end of the mechanism of respiration. If you like my video, then share it, like it, and if you come in my channel first time, then you must subscribe it, because I always upload educational video, and this is one of the important video for standard 10 of CBSE. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.